Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about one of the most mysterious ghost ships in the history, the Mary Celeste. This ship wasn't originally called Mary Celeste, it was called Amazon and it was built in 1861 and it wasn't a popular ship. In fact, some people thought it was a ship with bad luck because its first captain, Robert McLean, contracted pneumonia 9 days after taking command and he died at the very beginning of its main voyage. He was the first of three captains to die aboard it. Once the ship changed of owners, its name also changed to Mary Celeste. On November 5th, in 1872, under command of Captain Briggs, the Mary Celeste docked on New York City's East River and took on board a cargo of 1,000 barrels of commercial alcohol. His wife, his two kids, and seven more men traveled with him. The Mary Celeste then set sail from Staten Island to Genoa, Italy. But on December 5th, the crew of Dei Gratia, another ship sailing from New York to Gibraltar, sighted the Mary Celeste. The captain of this ship, David Reed Morehouse, knew Briggs, and in the moment he saw the ship, he asked to himself, "Isn't supposed that the Mary Celeste must be by now on Italy?" As soon as David Reed saw nobody at the outside of the ship, he knew that something bad had happened. By the order of Captain Oliver Dabaugh board the Mary Celeste, he reported that he didn't find anyone on board and said that the whole ship was a thoroughly wet mess. They saw some strange thing in the ship, like the ship clock wasn't functioning and the compass was destroyed. The sextant and marine chronometer were missing. The only lifeboat on the Mary Celeste was also missing. David Reed reported to the police and several investigations were done, but they never found the Captain Briggs, his wife, kids, and crew. Since then, the Mary Celeste has been considered as a ghost ship, and it was like a trendy topic in the Sailor Society. In order to stop the scandal of this mystery, the judges said perhaps a gas leak of the alcohol that they were transporting warned the captain of a possible explosion or that poisoning could occur, so he gave the order of evacuate the ship. Okay, that was the official explanation and a very silly explanation for me because the alcohol wasn't that dangerous and if I had left the ship I would have taken my valuable things with me because their stuff were still in the ship. Why didn't they take at least their clothes? Well, another thing that I think that they might have gotten so drunk that they decided to have new adventures. Well, or perhaps they wanted some money, so they must have asked David Reed to help them. He might have said that the crew of the Mary Celeste disappeared so he could charge the insurance money. That might have been a good idea because they could have sold the things of the Mary Celeste after David Reed supposedly found it. Well, anyway, if Rick hadn't been traveling from New York to Italy, the Mary Celeste wouldn't have lost forever. Or what do you think?